Hey guys, welcome to the plugin series. The next plugin we are looking at today is ReviewReader. So if you are tired of comparing countless reviews of products on Amazon you're planning to buy, it could be your iPods, it could be your AirPods Pro or an iPad, or you could be looking at buying a Mac or any of the iPhone series or Android phones you are interested in buying. If you are tired of comparing which vendor to buy from, this plugin definitely helps you. So let's see what this plugin can do to get started. So there are two ways you could use this plugin. One is comparing reviews of multiple products. So you can just specify the product type like SSD, MacBook Pro, shoes. The plugin searches for the products on Amazon and returns the best sellers along with their reviews. So it will show each product names, linked, price, image, and a short summary of pros and cons. Finally, it will conclude which product is best to use. To use this feature, you can simply compare the reviews for a certain product and it would work. So let's look at it later on. And the second way you could use it is review a specific Amazon product. So if you input an Amazon product link, the plugin will show you the link name, price, a long summary of the pros and cons, image, and a conclusion on whether it is worth buying. So to review this feature, you can provide the Amazon product links you want to review. You can just say review the product for me and provide the Amazon link. So here are some prompts I have specified for you. You can use this to review it. So let's go back and see how this plugin would work. So the first prompt, I would be just doing two prompts here. The first prompt I have here is compare the gaming laptops. So you can see it's using the review reader, and the input it gave was gaming laptops and the language as English US. So if you want to use this in another language, the URL prompt you are providing to this, you can provide it in the language of that Amazon URL and it would use that language by default. So if English is not your language, you can specify that language, it will still work for you. So it gave you the price for the laptop, which is $2,199. And there is one more from Acer, which is 1129. There is MSI GSS6 Health 1779. And similarly, you could use it for any product you are looking for. It could be a GPU, it could be a CPU, or if you are confused whether to buy Intel or AMD CPU, you can specify all of it and it would work. So the next plugin I have is, so I have this Apple AirPod URL. I just don't know whether I should buy this or not. So what I'm doing here is I'm giving the URL path here. I just have reviewed the product and the URL to that product. So let's see what it recommends to us. Similarly, you can ask it in variety of way. So this should be available to you in the description. You can use this PDF to try your own prompts for the products you may be interested in buying, and let me know if this is something you would use in frequently, or your current approach of going through reviews and deciding what to buy is the better way to buy. So if you look at it, it's giving us all the data. So the quality is 4.7 out of 5 and it is giving the noise cancellation. Users reported is excellent, and comfort and fit. Most users find this comfortable and secure, even activities like running. However, few users have reported one of the earbuds doesn't fit as well as the other. The battery life is generally considered good, and features and the price. So when these earbuds are on the expensive side, believe its quality and features justify the cost. And if you click on the link here, it will give you the best Amazon price for the product, which is $199. The one I had gave it was also $199 and it was with $20 off. So that's what I wanted to cover in this plugin. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.